Hello everyone, my name is Ravleen Kaur, chemistry faculty at Ask IITians. I hope you all have seen my previous recordings, lecture number 1 and lecture number 2 of carbon compounds. In today's class, we are going to start with the lecture number 3 of carbon compounds, in which we are going to discuss the concept of nomenclature or IUPAC naming. So let's start the lecture. Okay, so let us see what are the topics that we are going to cover today. We are going to cover in today's session, that is nomenclature of carbon compounds, right guys? So this is about like how to write the name of carbon and its compounds. So let's have a look. First of all, what are hydrocarbons? Of course, we do have an idea that the compounds of carbon and hydrogen are known as a hydrocarbon. So what is the rule of writing the names and what is the purpose of IUPAC? I will tell you one example. Ki let us say कि अभी I am teaching you from India, right? और India में methane है. So methane, I'm using the word as methane. Okay. So India में if I'm using the word methane, so for me, methane is CH4. Okay. But let us say कि you are studying from US or Australia या फिर from Germany or Kuwait, Qatar, whatever the place you are. और उसमें आपको बताया जा रहा है methane is not CH4, it is only in India, it is C2H6 or something like that. So due to which it is going to create a confusion to us कि यार this is correct or this is correct and what should be the right one and so on. तो उस सारी confusion को you have to eliminate that. To eliminate that confusion, IUPAC has given us a concept जिसके अंदर the IUPAC full form is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, that has given us a set of rules that need to be followed worldwide so that everyone is on the same page. ठीक है, सब same page पे हो. Like if I'm saying methane is CH4, so you all should say methane is from CH4 wherever the position you are present. It should not be changed as per the location you are, in which university you are studying, in which school you are, wherever you are. So the concept of IPAC was just a कि uniformity of the concept need to be there, और एक ऐसा set of rules बनाते हैं that if everyone is going to follow those rules, they will get the same answer only. So this is about the IUPAC concept. अब हम पढ़ेंगे what are the rules which are being given by IUPAC. Let's have a look. So rule of naming the the carbon compounds. The first rule is that you have to select the longest carbon chain. You have to select the longest carbon chain. और जो longest carbon chain होगी उसका नाम क्या होगा guys? That is called as a parent chain. Clear? And the things which are left apart from this parent chain is called as substituents. The remaining is called as substituent. Okay, let's have a look. I'm giving you a few examples. So carbon is connected with n and na. Okay, guys, please try to understand. Of course, there are going to be hydrogen. आपको इतना basic clear है ना? Like carbon make a 4 bonds, and carbon is going to have a like depending on the number of कितने उसके साथ attached है carbons, remaining will be satisfied with hydrogen only, right? So this carbon is connected by one carbon atom, so अभी इसके पास बचे 3 hydrogens will be present to make 4 bonds. Similarly, this carbon is connected with 2 other carbon atoms, अभी इसके पास हैं 2 hydrogen. This carbon is connected by 2 hydrogen atoms. It is also going to have 2 hydrogen atoms, right? This carbon is there and it is already having 3 bonds. So you are going to make one. Here we go with CH3 and CH3. But writing all these things will be cumbersome for me. थोड़ा time लग जाएगा. I mean to say, it will not give us it is not going to give us a clarity कि हमारा फोकस कहाँ होगा. अभी हमारा फोकस जा रहा है वो कार्बन हाइड्रोजन पे जा रहा है, सेटिस्फैक्शन पे जा रहा है बॉन्ड्स की ना. Our focus is to write the name. So rather than writing like this, I will be throughout the session using like the concept as carbon, 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 and let us say one like this. So it is misunderstood, or like it is understood by you only कि हाँ पे hydrogens are there but ma'am has not written. Okay, and if you're going to skip the hydrogens, trust me, you will get 0 marks in your exam. No one knows कि तुम्हें पता है कि नहीं पता कि hydrogens होते हैं कि नहीं होते हैं. It will be look like ये सामने वाले से कॉपी किया है, जितना दिखा लिख दिया. Okay, so you don't want to do that. If you're studying the lecture, you have to make the proper notes, and if you're making the proper notes, you have to be careful कि इसके अंदर hydrogen please please write it yourself. Okay, now let's have a look where I'm color. Okay, right. So carbon is there. It is, let us say, we have to choose the first concept. पहला rule क्या है किसी का नामकरण करने के लिए? I use the word नामकरण, okay? Like नाम देना है किसी का. So if you want to do the first thing for the नामकरण is select the longest carbon chain. If you want to choose the longest carbon chain, it is going to be this chain only. लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन चेन का मतलब होता है बच्चे मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स उस चेन में प्रेजेंट होने चाहिए. मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स प्रेजेंट इन द चेन. Okay, so if you choose this as the longest carbon chain, what is going to happen is you're going to uh, write it like this only. Best. I will take one more example. Let us say we are having this time carbon, 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 and here we go with another. एक दो और स्ट्रक्चर्स बनाते हैं. था 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 था. ओके एक सेकंड मेरी फोटो आ गई साथ पे मेरे. ओके सो ये कार्बन है देन उसके बाद कार्बन 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 लाइक दिस. ओके नाउ वी हैव टू चूज द लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन चेन. लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन चेन अगर मैं चूज करूंगी तो मैं कैसे चूज करूंगी इसमें तो ये कर लूंगी right. So longest carbon chain is a chain जहाँ पे maximum number of carbon atoms are included. I know कि किसी बच्चे के दिमाग में ये आ रहा है मैम ऐसे कर लेते हैं ना. नहीं बच्चे you're never supposed to do like this. हम इसको consider करते हैं कि like this portion is going to be the straight. हम इसको straight भी लिख सकते हैं. Like you can write this as in the form of straight chain also. मैं इसको ना numbering कर देती हूँ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So if you want to write in the straight chain, so you will write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and at third position carbon is present. So these two देखो मैं आपको बताती हूँ. ये वन है ना. सो वन टू थर्ड पे प्रेजेंट था ये वाला कार्बन ये रहा वाला. ओके देन 4 5 6 7. सो ये दोनों सेम स्ट्रक्चर हैं. दे बोथ आर सेम स्ट्रक्चर बच्चों. सो इस अगर मैं टी बनाऊंगी आई वुड बी एबल टू मेक अ स्ट्रेट चेन राइट. So you what you're supposed to do is आपको एक ही बार उठाना है पेन and then you have to make it like this. Either make a L or U, whatever you want to make you can do, but don't make it like this. This is totally wrong concept. Okay. ये बच्चों का बहुत ही कॉमन डाउट है. सेकेंड वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इज अबाउट इसका स्ट्रक्चर. इसका मैक्सिमम चेन उठा लेते हैं. maximum carbon atom is going to be this one, right? I need some water. Right, so we can understand from here कि maximum carbon atom की जो chain होगी that is going to be this one only. So what's the first concept? You have to choose the longest carbon chain called as a parent chain. Remaining is called as a substituent. Substituents कौन से होंगे जो parent मतलब जो main chain के part नहीं है, the one which are not part of the parent chain. ये रहा बेचारा, ये बेचारा, ये भी मारा, इसको भी छोड़ दिया हमने. Right, इसमें this is going to be the longest carbon chain. Okay, and this also, this also. So this is called as a substituents. The second point is that like after you have decided the longest carbon chain, you have to start numbering from the side. Start numbering from the side so that substituent should get the lowest number possible. ताकि substituent को lowest number मिले. For example, in the previous slide, if you can see from here, I'm supposed to write the numbering. Let us say I'm numbering कर रहे हैं. If I'm going to do numbering from here, I will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So इस बार substituent है. This is substituent. उसका numbering कौन सा मिला? The substituent is given number 2, purple color. Okay. And let us say if I'm doing numbering from this side, so this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this time you're giving same substituent but number 4. So that is totally wrong. Read the statement now. Start numbering from the side of the chain, मतलब जो parent chain है उसकी उस side से numbering करोगे, so that the substituent should get the lowest possible number. मैं बीच में words बोल रही हूँ मुझे पता है, but the sense is this only, that the substituent should get the lowest number. You have to give the lowest number to them. So this is carbon, 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 and here we go. I will take 4 examples. Okay. Okay, I've taken 2. Okay, like this. Okay, बच्चों. So these are the 4 examples. और पीछे वाले के भी examples देख लेते हैं एक बार. So we can see from here also that if you start the numbering, so this one is wrong. We only have to take 1 2 3 4 वाली numbering. If you start the numbering, देखो मैंने ना उस time भी 3 यहीं पे दिया था. If I'm going to start numbering from here ना, you will get number 5 for the substituent, which is totally wrong. Okay, you have to give the lowest number. इसके अंदर if you start the numbering 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, राइट. अगर मैं यहां से लिख रही हूँ, आई एम राइटिंग 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. लेटर से मैं अपोजिट साइड से शुरू करती हूँ बच्चे. If I'm going to start from the opposite side, this is going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So मैम दोनों तरफ से सेम ही तो आ रहा है, 4 और 5, right? So बच्चे see, whenever you have more than one substituent present, when more than one substituent is present, जब एक से ज्यादा substituent present होते हैं, then the sum of the substituent need to be lowest. Then the sum of substituent number needs to be lowest. Matlab, if more than one substituent is present, then you're going to sum that number of substituent, like कौन से number पे कौन सा substituent present है, and they're going to sum them, and some need to be lowest. Okay, this is called as lowest locate, like lowest locant rule कहते हैं उसको. Okay, this is called as locant rule. So what is the concept? When more than one substituent is present, अगर एक से ज्यादा substituent is present, then the sum of the substituent number, जो उनका number है, उनका sum है, that needs to be the lowest one. Let's have a look. देखो, if I'm going to start numbering from this side, 1 2 3 4 5, in this case the sum is coming as 2 plus 3. If I'm going to start the numbering from the other side, 1 2 3 4 5, so इसमें the sum is coming as 3 plus 4. अब 4 plus 3 7 होता है और 3 plus 2 5 होता है. So of course नहीं करना ना, 5 will win. So read again. When more than one substituent is present, so this was one substituent CH3 and this was my another substituent. So एक से ज्यादा substituent present थे, then the sum मतलब इन दोनों का addition need to be the lowest one. Okay, that is called as lowest sum rule. ये वर्ड याद कर रही थी मैं. This is called as lowest sum rule. So this is how we are going to decide like whether from which place you are going to start the numbering. So let's have a look. यहाँ से ना सबसे पहले तो वही करेंगे हम. Select the longest carbon chain. Then start the numbering from the side to get the substituent lowest number. Select the longest card. नीचे वाली same ही होगी बच्चे. You can do from नीचे वाली also, but maximum you can include is 5 only. So you can do from either side. 1 2 3 4 5. Of course, बच्चा, if you start from this side also, you will get 3 only. So you can do from either side. Okay. This is going to be the parent chain, and you can start from either side. You will always get the number as 1 2 3 4 5 6. So sum is always going to be 3 plus 4. यहाँ से भी करोगे 3 plus 4 is going to come, and in this case this is going to be the longest carbon chain, and you're going to start 1 2 3 4 5. So sum is going to be 2 plus 3. Okay, that was going to be the correct one, but not the 7 one. So please इसको ध्यान रखना that don't do the mistakes. So we are going to cancel 1 2 3 4 5. हमें कौन सा वाला कंसिडर करना है? खाली रेड वाला. Okay. Perfect. Now let us have the look over the next मतलब और उसके बाद जो next counting आएगी. So पहला था select the longest carbon chain. Second था start the numbering from the side so that substituent should get the lowest number. If more than one substituent is present, then sum of substituent need to be the lowest lowest one. एक fourth concept है. Fourth is about like that is about the parent chain का name. How you are going to name the parent chain. How are you going to name the parent chain? Parent chain का नामकरण कैसे करोगे? Okay. So for that, if you have one carbon atom, you will use the word meth. अगर दो carbon होते हैं eth, then prop, bute, pent, hex, hept, ec, non, dec. Since मतलब you have to learn till here, but कभी कभार if you feel कि कुछ out of the box question आ जाए, which is very less, so you can just study 11, 12 and 13. Don't go beyond that. इतना नहीं आएगा exam में. So undo and try तक you can go. So 10 means decane. और उसके बाद गया तो एंटीकेन, डोडेकेन, ट्राइडेकेन एंड टेट्राडेकेन. Okay, so this is a name of the parent chain you are going to use. I will explain you how you are going to use that. Manu, you are going to have CH3, CH2 and CH3. Okay, so in this case what will happen is this is going to be carbon, carbon, and this is going to be carbon. Now there are three carbon atoms, so C3. Okay, this has to be 3. So 3 carbon atoms is going to be prop. So this is going to be prop, and this is going to be which system? Alkane system. ये कौन सा system होता है? Alkane system. So you pick the word ane from here and write up propane. I know you don't know what is I'm talking about ये alkane वाला system. आजो, I left the slide in between for you. So we are going to understand in this chapter there are three things for nomenclature. That is alkane system, alkene system, and alkyne system. Alkane is that जिसका journal formula is going to be CnH2n plus 2. Alkene का journal formula is going to be CnH2n. Alkyne का journal formula is going to be CnH2n minus 2. Okay, so here you're going to place a different values of n. 1 पर हम ऐसे करते हैं 5 तक करते हैं 3 4 और this is going to be 5. अगर मैं n की वैल्यू यहाँ 1 पुट करूंगी तो यहाँ 1 1 पुट करोगे तो क्या आएगा? C1 and 2 1 the 2 plus 2 that is 4. So CH4 आया, C2 H6 आया, C3 to the 6 7 8, 4 to the 8 9 10, 5 to the 10 11 12 आ गया. CnH2n अगर लिखोगे so you will write it to be C. देखो यहाँ पे अगर आपने 1 पुट किया तो यहाँ पे आ रहा है CH2. बच्चा CH2 कैन नॉट एग्जिस्ट बिकॉज कार्बन को 4 बॉन्ड्स तो यू हैव टू मेक इट ऑल. इसमें कार्बन के पास 2 ही बॉन्ड्स है, सो दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू एग्जिस्ट. सिमिलरली दिस इज आल्सो नॉट गोइंग टू एग्जिस्ट. अभी मैं बताऊंगी क्यों. ओके, सो दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू एग्जिस्ट हियर. उसके बाद प्लेस द वैल्यू हियर. सो डबल करना है 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8, right, and 5 to the 10. Clear? And if you want to write the alkyne system, so but in the case of alkyne, what is going to happen is you have to use यहाँ पे ये वाला जर्नल फॉर्मूला CnH2n. So n की वैल्यू 1 पुट करी, so it is not going to be possible क्योंकि 2 1 the 2 minus 2 that is going to be 0. H0 is नॉट पॉसिबल. ठीक है, तो ये एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. n इज इक्वल टू 2 का अगर मैं बात करूंगी आपसे बच्चा, सो वेन एवर यू हैव n इज इक्वल टू 2, हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू लुक लाइक? लेट्स हैव ए लुक. यहाँ पुट करो 2 to the 4 minus 2 that is going to give you C2H2. 3 to the 6 minus 2 that is going to be C3H4. ठीक है, कोई गलती ना हो जाए प्लीज. 4 to the 8 minus 2 that is 6. 5 to the 10 minus 2 that is going to be 8. अब इसका नामकरण कैसे करना है? राइट नाउ एक्सप्लेन यू दिस रूट. सो मुझे बस 1 to 5 तक चाहिए. मेथ, एथ, प्रॉप, ब्यूट, पेंट. क्लियर? सो लेट्स हैव ए लुक. सॉरी. So let's have a look what is going to happen. So see, CH4 is there. So CH4 में देखो 1 था बचा मेथ, 2 था एथ, 3 था प्रॉप, 4 था ब्यूट, 5 है अपना पेंट. क्लियर? अब यहाँ से मेथ उठाना है और यहाँ से एन उठाना है. यहाँ से इन उठाना होता है, यहाँ से यू हैव टू मेक एन आइन. सो यू विल राइट मेथ एंड एन. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज मीथेन. I hope it is clear. Eth and ane, that is going to be ethane. Prop and ane, propane. अब तो जल्दी लिख देते हैं butane, and this is going to be last one is going to be pentane. क्लियर. C2H4 आप मिथीन नहीं लिख सकते क्योंकि ये एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. यू आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम एथ, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी इथीन, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी प्रोपीन, this is going to be butene, and this is going to be pentene. Clear? Next one is going to be ine system. In the case of ine system, you're going to pick the first one, that is ethyne. Then it's going to be propyne. Then it's going to be butane. And the last one is going to be pentine. I hope it is clear. Okay, so this is how we are going to name the different alkane, alkene, and alkyne system. एक काम करते हैं, let us do one more variation. ये CH4 how it looks like. I hope it is you everyone know that you have to make a covalent bond, and it is going to be like this. C2H6 is there. So 2 carbon atoms, try to make the 6 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. Propane is there. 1, 2, 3. Try to make the this bonds बना दिया. इसका मैच करते ना C3H8 आएगा, 4 आएगा तो 4 आएगा. Satisfy them with hydrogens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Satisfy them with hydrogens. बस. Okay. डायग्राम थोड़ा क्लियर बनाया करो बच्चा. It will be easy for you. Like this. Okay. Sir, मैम अपना तो क्लियर बना लो. ठीक है. I'm writing with the थोड़ा सा पेन टैबलेट से थोड़ा सा वेरिएशन आ जाता है, बट आई एम ट्राइंग माय बेस्ट कि अच्छी राइटिंग आए. ओके. सो कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन, ये रहा हाइड्रोजन, 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 हाइड्रोजन एंड हाइड्रोजन. ये ऐसे देखते हैं. इथीन में क्या होता है देखो. सो एल्कीन इज हैविंग द सिंगल बॉन्ड्स, राइट. एल्कीन के अंदर क्या होता है बच्चा. वी आर गोइंग टू हैव वन डबल बॉन्ड. एंड एल्काइन के अंदर क्या होता है. वी आर गोइंग टू हैव ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. Okay, so C2H4 है, so you will write C2 like this. H4 तो इसके पास 4 हाइड्रोजन्स. 1, 2, 3 and 4. क्लियर. मैंने एक पेज ऐड करती रुको. दो न्यू स्लाइड कर दिया क्योंकि देयर इज नॉट एनी स्पेस ना बनाने के लिए. सो ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव टू. कहाँ थे हम. इथीन पे थे. चलो. सो हम सारे स्ट्रक्चर्स लिख लेते हैं. इथीन के स्ट्रक्चर्स में क्या होगा. सी डबल बॉन्ड सी इज गोइंग टू बी देयर एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी लाइक दिस. ओके. प्रोपीन, ब्यूटीन एंड पेंटीन. ठीक है. सो प्रोप मतलब 3 कार्बन एटम्स, डबल बॉन्ड अटैच्ड विद हाइड्रोजन्स. ब्यूटीन मींस 4 कार्बन एटम्स connected with double bond satisfied with hydrogens. Pentene means 5. बच्चा ये मैंने ना कोने में बनाया. आई नो यू विल बी आस्किंग मैम आपने यहीं पे क्यों बनाया. जस्ट एन एग्जांपल ओनली. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 1 ब्यूटीन. ओके. मतलब मैंने फर्स्ट पोजीशन में डबल बॉन्ड बनाया. यू कैन मेक एट द सेकंड पोजीशन एंड राइट 2 ब्यूटीन. ओके. पेंट मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm making it the corner only क्योंकि if nothing is mentioned, it means it is present at the corner only. Okay, and rest will be satisfied with hydrogens. देख लो 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. ला 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 बन गए हाइड्रोजन्स, राइट. और ये इसका जर्नल फार्मूला भी था. इफ यू रिमेंबर ना, जर्नल फार्मूला इज CnH2n ना. सो इफ यू ट्राई टू राइट इन द टर्म्स ऑफ जर्नल फार्मूला, तो ये देखो इथीन का फार्मूला आएगा C2H4, 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8, 5 to the 10. If you count, you will realize कि सब में एक एक डबल बॉन्ड तो जरूर ही आएगा. And this is how it looks like. Okay, let us make the structure for CnH2n minus 2, that is ethyne system. मैं लिख देती हूँ यहाँ पे ethyne, propyne, butane and pentine. Clear. So in this case you will try to understand तो क्या होने वाला. Let's have a look. So ethyne के अंदर C triple bond C is there. propyne के अंदर ऐसे, ब्यूटाइन के अंदर ट्रिपल बॉन्ड एंड पेंटाइन के अंदर भी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 एंड हियर वी गो विद द ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. रेस्ट बहुत ही सिंपल है. बस हाइड्रोजन सेटिस्फाई कर दो. दैट मेक्स हाइड्रोजन हाइड्रोजन. लेट अस मैं तो लास्ट में हाइड्रोजन सेटिस्फाई करती हूँ. इट बिकम्स इजी फॉर मी देन. मिस नहीं तो उस टाइम पे बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट आई फील. सो बट इट्स योर कॉल. You need to be comfortable, that is more important. जैसे समझ आए वैसे समझो. Okay, so we have done with how to make the structures also in this lecture. Okay, along with nomenclature and structures भी बनाना सीख लिया. So CnH2n minus 2 is going to be there, and this is ethyne, propyne, butane, and pentyne is going to be like this. So if you see, अगर मैं इसके आगे लिख देती हूँ तो ये बनेगा 2 to the 4, oh, sorry, minus 2, that is C2H3, 3 to the 6 minus 2, 4 to the 8 minus 2, and 5 to the 10 minus 2. अगर आप काउंट करोगे they are going to come same only. काउंट कर लेते हैं random, let's C4H6 कर लेते हैं 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 मैच करेगा 5 to the 8 1 2 3 4 5 and 3 4 5 6 7 8 C5H8. So this is how we draw the structures which can come in your exam also, like draw the structure of methane, ethane, propane, butane, ethene, oh sorry, yeah, ethene, propene, butene, pentene, propyne, butane, pentyne. So you should know how to make all these structures. Okay. So we were on nomenclature. So the first part was done. Let's select the longest carbon chain, start the numbering, so that substance should get the lowest number. If more than one substance is present, then the sum has to be done to make the lowest sum rule. The next thing I taught you is a concept of alkanes, alkenes, and alkyne system, how you're going to draw the structures. And one more thing we did was the naming of the parent chain. So I think now it gives you the clarity like why I use this alkane word. उसके अंदर मैंने क्या ऐड कर दिया, propane. So we added the propane. Propane मतलब 3 carbon atoms, and ane is because of a single bond system, right? Now we are going to understand how to name the substituent also, and then we will club all of them together to give our IUPAC nomenclature. How to name the substituents. But the substituents are generally have a journal formula, like they have a journal formula CnH2n plus 1. They are called as alkyl system. For example, this is going to be methyl, ethyl, propyl, like that. Okay. So in this case, like in methane, क्या होता है? Methane is going to have the chemical formula as CH4. If one hydrogen is going to be decreased from here, it is going to form CH3. वही होता है मिथाइल. So CnH2n plus 1 मतलब alkane से one hydrogen less. से क्या लिखूं? With respect to alkane, one hydrogen less. Then methyl is going to be there. This is going to be CH3. This is going to be CH3, CH2. और ये जो propyl system है, it is going to be like this. Okay. So this is going to be methyl, ethyl, propyl, and this is going to be happened. Okay. ये सब substituents के name होते हैं. Now let us understand how to write the names. So you will write the substituents first in alphabetic manner if more than different substituent is present. And after this substituent's name, what is the last thing you're going to write is the parent chain. Bus. So you have to write the substituents, then you have to write the parent chain, and this is going to be written in the alphabetic order. Let's have a look over the X. Oh my God, बहुत जल्दी आ गया. Like हमें एक और page add करना है. I have to give you few examples so that everything can be clubbed together. इसके बाद कर लेते हैं ना. चलो. Okay. Now let's have a look with few questions and examples जो मुझे कराने चाहिए for sure. So जो questions हैं, that the first question that is coming in my mind is पूरा एक साथ हम लिखेंगे अब. Again, simple one, carbon, 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 and this is going to be carbon attached. So what you're going to do is select the longest carbon chain. Start the numbering from the side where the substituent will get the lowest number possible. This is called as a substituent. This is CH3. देखो CH3. Right now we discuss CH3 का name क्या होगा? Methyl. So we will write your name is methyl, right? And ऊपर में hydrogens are satisfied. Please मत भूलना यार. Please, ठीक है? So there are 5 carbon atoms. So 5 means pent, right? And you're going to use the word as ane. Why? Because it is going to have single bonds only. Okay. So this is going to be used the word as ane. So this is called as pentane. मुझे डर लग रहा है मैं हाइड्रोजन लिख ही रही हूँ यार. मुझे तो 1 मिनट लगेगा, ठीक है। सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द पेंटेन सिस्टम। अब मैंने लास्ट पॉइंट क्या लिखा था, that first of all you will write the substituents and then you write the parent chain, or alphabetic order में if more than one substituent is present, different substituent. So in this case you will write the position of a substituent is second, पे क्या present है, methyl, and this is called as pentane. So second position पे methyl is present and it is 5 carbon atom system, so it is called as pentane. Next example, you're going to have carbon, 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 and there are 2 carbon atoms here attached. So in this case, what will happen? You're going to choose, लिख देती हूँ हाइड्रोजन लिख देती हूँ, ठीक है। तुम गलती ना कर दो, रिकॉर्डिंग देख रहे हो ना, क्लास में तो मैं नहीं लिखती हूँ, बच्चों को नोटबुक चेक कर लेती हूँ उसी टाइम। So in this case, what happen is like you are going to choose this as the longest carbon chain. Start the numbering from either side because sum of the substance is always going to be 2 and 3. Now this time I've taken a different kind of a question. इसके अंदर more than one substituent is present. But when more than one similar substituent is present, need some water. If more than one similar substituent is present, अगर एक से ज्यादा more similar substituent is present, then you are going to use di for 2 substituents, tri for 3 substituent, tetra for 4 substituent, ठीक है। So there are 2 substituents, so we are going to use, इसका नाम क्या है, methyl. What is this also? Methyl. So methyl, methyl. So this is called as, क्या होगा, हाँ, second position पे, third position पे, if you are noticing, between two numbers I'm using comma, between a number and an alphabet I'm using hyphen. Okay, so 2 3 पहला alphabet बड़ा capital D, dimethyl, and this is 4 carbon atoms, so it is going to be bute. यहीं से उठाओ, 4 carbon atoms is bute, and they are alkane system because they all are single bonds, so this is going to be butane. I hope now it is clear to you. Like this point you can also add. So 2,3 dimethyl butane. Let us take the third example. I'm writing here only, then we will go with that question. Don't read the question right now, concentrate here. So you're going to have carbon, carbon, carbon. Right? Let us say we are having this system. In this case, what you're going to do is select the longest carbon chain. This is going to be that, right? And you know, or okay, then you're going to start numbering from this side because substance need to be given lowest number. Second position pe methyl is present. Third position pe ethyl is present. Then what is going to be the name? Let's have a look. So second pe methyl is present and third पे ethyl is present. और ये 5 है तो this is going to be pentane, but ऐसे लिखोगे तो you will get अंडा, 0 marks. How you are supposed to write all these things? Very simple. Alphabetically you have to arrange them. Okay, read that. Start the numbering from the side so that substituent should get the lowest number. उसके बाद more than one substituent is present. Alphabetically कहाँ गिरा? So you have to arrange the substituents in the alphabetic order. Alphabetic A, B, C, D वाला ही. Okay. So if you see that you're going to have M and E, so A, B, C, D, E पहले आ गया, M तो बाद में आएगा. So you will write the answer as third position पे ethyl is present between a number and alphabet hyphen. Second position पे अब छोटा लिखूंगी मैं methyl, वो पहला अक्षर है. Methyl, there is no gap, it is a single word. This is going to be pentane. बस हो गया. So I've discussed the 3 examples with you which are totally different. पहला था simple. Second one I did was on the basis of methyl वाला, मतलब dimethyl system. Next one was on the basis of alphabetic system. So let us discuss this last question for today's class. Write the IPAC name of the carbon compounds having the following information. आपको IPAC name लिखना है जिसकी information आपको given है. Number of carbon atoms in the longest carbon chain is 3. So longest chain 3 है. You have to tell me number of carbon atoms. Okay, methyl group is present at the second position. Okay, thank you. 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be 2 methyl propane. Oh yeah, here we went. अच्छा इसमें गलती है. Don't give any gap. ऐसे पूरा ऐसे लिखना. Okay. चलो and make a M capital also, 2-methyl propane. So I hope the lecture was clear to everyone. We'll meet in the next class and we will continue with our functional groups also. Bye bye everyone. Have a nice day. Please see the recordings. If you have any problem, see the recording one more time. But देख लेना ठीक है चलो bye everyone. Take care.